Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about how to fix age restrictions on TikTok. And for example, you are under 18 and some age restriction problem appears. But if you're over 18 years old and the problem still appears, like you can't see some video, like view some video, and since this is the problem and some misconception, misunderstanding, you can just appeal it. Now, how you can do it? At your profile page, you're gonna choose these three lines at the top right and choose settings and privacy. You're gonna scroll down and go to report the problem and go to account and profile. Now you're gonna choose profile page and choose other. Right here you're gonna choose need more help, and you're gonna describe your problem like, hello TikTok support team, I am like 20 or 21 years old or more, something like this, or 19 years old, doesn't matter, and the age restriction problem appears when I want to view some video, watch some video. Please help me with that because it's some misunderstanding, and I will be very thankful for this. After this, the problem more likely will be solved, because it's the problem from the side of TikTok application. And that's it. Thank you for your attention, and if this video is helpful for you, please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.